Hello, thank you for watching. If you could leave a like or subscribe or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it much. Thank you very much for watching. So we bought a new Muck spreader, Marshall instead of high spec. Bit cheaper as well. So only thing with pipes now, we sag right down there when we're on a tractor. So right away your wheel and the link arm, etc. You know, in danger zoning. So it has this little bracket there, you know, put the pipes in there and wire on there. So I'm going to use those holes now. I've cut 2 flat bars, so I'll lay there. I'll mark the holes from underneath and bolt it, sandwich it through then I can weld a piece of box section comes out there, like in my high spec. You had some channel iron that was welded and bolted there, came out here, and the pipes would sort of sag just there to a tractor. I got a piece of box section and I cut it about the angle I wanted. Well, I cut it about, was it 26, 27 inches, then cut the angle off like I wanted. I'm making the rings now for holding the pipes and wire. So I've got some rod I've cleaned up a bit, and I've tacked it onto a piece of pipe from an acro prop. I'm going to bend it round until I get a second time around that joint there, like a spring, so one again. Then I'll cut across it there, and that'll make me 2 rings then. I'll show you now when after I've done this. So I've bent it round now, and you can see it's like a spring. So I'll cut across there now. 1 and 2. So you'll have to put these in vice and close them up so they're straight and tack them to place together. So that's it done. Just going to give it a coat of paint now. That's it, painted in red oxide. I think I'll leave it a red oxide for now then. I need the spreader pretty soon now. So the ground is frozen, so I had to be on the muck. And there's a bit of a rush to make this bracket. You see the actual light cable fits nice, but the hydraulic pipes are a bit too short up there. There's no slack really. So I'll take it back to the first one. It holds it out the way of the tyre anyway, the drawbar, but I like to have it a bit higher out the way of the shaft. So I'm really happy with the base here. This ring holds it nice and tight in there, and the pipe in and wire in there, so you don't need any cable ties, nothing. So I'm really happy with that bit. But what I'm going to do now is cut this, you know, bit over halfway there, put another ring here, just be above the shaft, nice one. So I thought I'd show what the mistake I made in really, but needs must, and I needed to use a spreader, so I'll sort it again then. So I found a chance to modify it. So you can see I've pretty much cut it in half, and I made another ring because this will be tidy again. You know, that angle will suit as well for say a tipping trailer ring. So I'll keep that again. And I made a couple of new rings, only some use for them. And I've made new plate to patch it up and all because of angle and all. So coat of paint again for this, a coat of primer, and I'll put it back on. Okay, so I just put it back on and thread the pipes back through a wire. So it's looking a lot better. See, pipes are just above the shaft, nice, and there's a bit of slack in them as well. So I'm happy with that. I need to cable tie them together really. I've twisted the brake light just around them a bit, but I need to cable tie them better together. And that's sorted really. Like I was talking the other day, you know, they sit in here, you don't need cable tie, nothing, it just holds it nicely. And I was talking about, you know, it's above a drawbar and shaft, it's well out the way of any danger or anything catching it. And a bit of slack as well. So that's sorted really. Thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.